Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the top 5 most comfortable sneakers of 2025, the pairs that are redefining cushioning, support, and all-day wear. Whether you're a runner, daily commuter, or someone who just loves the feeling of walking in pure comfort, this list is your go-to for the softest, smoothest, and most foot-friendly kicks of the year. Let's step into comfort like never before. Number 1. Asics Gel-NIMBUS 27. The Asics Gel-NIMBUS 27 is a neutral running trainer designed to provide a soft, smooth, and cloud-like running experience. Intended for road runners, it has a completely redesigned build to provide increased comfort from the very moment the foot touches down through to the final toe-off. The engineered jacquard mesh upper wraps the foot gently, providing breathability and support, while the knit tongue and collar add an extra layer of softness around the ankle. At the heart of the comfort of the shoe is FF Blast Plus, cushioning made from bio-based materials, which translates into lighter, softer landings and a more responsive ride. Pure GEL technology combined gives them smooth transitions and cushioned impact absorption that feels effortless with every stride. Sustainability also remains at the core, using over 75% recycled material for the upper and solution-dyed sock liners, which decrease water usage and carbon output significantly. An increased traction, durability, and softness give you confidence on the road while running with an improved hybrid Asics grip outsole. Featuring an 8mm drop, a weight of 265 grams, and support for neutral runners and underpronators. Price at $165. The GEL-NIMBUS 27 provides you with superior comfort, responsive cushioning, and long-distance reliability. Number 2. Hoka Clifton 9. The Hoka Clifton 9 is the newest update to the award-winning Clifton series, bringing a fresh upgrade in daily running with a design that's lighter, softer, and more responsive than ever. This model increases the stack height by 3mm, offering more cushioning without adding additional weight. For everyday comfort, the new responsive foam midsole gives a lively underfoot feel, from short runs to longer training sessions. Clifton 9 features an upper with clean lines and a more simplistic design using no unnecessary overlays or hot melts. This helps with better breathability, as well as creating a natural silhouette for the foot. The plusher heel ensures better comfort during step-in. The reflective heel panel promotes visibility in conditions with poor light. Single-side medial gusset tongue provides secure and adaptive midfoot wrap, preventing unnecessary movements during runs. It features a durable rubber sole and lightweight, breathable canvas outer material to provide reliable traction and long-lasting comfort. The lace-up closure ensures an adjustable fit, while the utilization of polyurethane components adds support and structure. Imported, performance-ready, and prepared to take on whatever your day may bring. Price at $145. The Clifton 9 offers a well-balanced mix of cushioning, durability, and modern design that's perfect for runners desiring smooth, everyday miles with effortless comfort. Number 3. On Cloudmonster 2. The On Cloudmonster 2 is designed for runners who want maximum cushioning and high energy return on the road. It features a forward rolling running style that promotes smooth transitions with an effortless momentum, so every step feels natural and efficient. The On Cloudmonster 2 weighs 300 grams and provides substantial cushioning without negating responsiveness or stability. The largest CloudTech pods to date bring unrivaled softness and impact protection engineered into one piece. This max-cushioned platform seamlessly interacts with the reimagined dual-density Helion Superfoam that adds extra spring and intensifies overall responsiveness. The result is a ride that feels supportive, energetic, and comfortable mile after mile. Shaped for powerful takeoffs, this nylon blend Speedboard helps to propel you further with every step. Adding structure and stability without sacrificing a smooth rolling sensation, a strategically placed forefoot foam insert works to absorb shock and reduce pressure during toe-off for greater comfort over the long haul. The Cloudmonster 2 features standard lacing to give a secure fit and a low 6mm heel-to-toe drop that promotes a balanced, natural stride. Price at $180. In general, it will be a perfect choice for those running on roads who desire plush cushioning, dynamic energy return, and a smooth rolling ride. Number 4. Brooks Glycerin Max 2. Brooks Glycerin Max 2 Cushion Running Shoes. Take a step into comfort and performance with these cushion running shoes, designed for a soft, plush, and distraction-free run. For runners who put comfort at the forefront, this shoe gives max cushion for a soft landing, smooth transition, and an effortless mile, whether you are running or walking. With 65.4% recycled materials used in the upper, the shoe also reflects a strong commitment to sustainability without compromising performance. It's an excellent choice for everyday runs, long sessions of distance, recovery days, and even comfortable walking, all thanks to its well-balanced mix of softness and stability. Standout feature: the Glide Roll Rocker promotes smooth heel-to-toe transitions with a fluid natural stride. Stacked cushioning combines for a plush feel underfoot with continued support for powerful toe-offs. Built for the road, this shoe provides a 6mm midsole drop and a weight of 289.2 grams for comfort and stability on the road. The plush underfoot feel gives a soft, luxurious step with every stride. Featuring neutral support with maximum cushioning, priced at $200, these shoes are perfect for runners craving comfort, consistency, and smooth performance over any distance. Number 5. Asics Gel Kayano 14. Returning in striking fashion, the Gel Kayano 14 sneaker proudly wears its late 2000s aesthetic as a nod to the long-standing and highly influential Gel Kayano series. This new iteration reimagines original performance features of the shoe through the utilization of modern materials and elevated componentry. With a breathable mesh upper and increased structure, it also holds a special place in the lineup as the first model not designed by Toshikazu Kayano, signifying a new chapter in the shoe's evolution. Drawing inspiration from its 2008 tooling, the Gel Kayano 14 incorporates advanced GEL technology into the midsole for excellent impact protection and smooth cushioning. The outsole features classic 2000s design language in its look, but contains durable traction. The Trustic support system further stabilizes the midfoot, creating a balanced and supportive ride. This model also demonstrates a commitment to sustainability. Its sock liner is made through a solution dyeing process that saves about 33% on water consumption and about 45% on carbon emissions compared to traditional methods. Price at $150. Overall, the GEL Kayano 14 delivers heritage-style modern comfort and eco-conscious innovation within one iconic silhouette. Thanks for watching. These were the top 5 most comfortable sneakers of 2025. The ones that really raise the bar in terms of cushioning, support, and comfort for everyday wear. If you enjoyed the breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more sneaker guides and reviews. Let us know which pair you're picking and why. Stay comfy, stay stylish, and I'll catch you in the next video.